This is my first ever sit-down talk with you. So today, gusto ko sanang i-share sa inyo. This brand welcomed me to their family. Parang gusto ko laging lumabas doon sa comfort zone ko. So this brand pushed me to my limit na itry yung mga bago, yung mga trending, ganun. Yung bakit ka mahihiya sa sarili mo, wala kang mong ginagawa sa kanila. Gusto kong ipakilala sa inyo tong brand na to. It is a new, as in, fresh from the oven skincare brand in the Philippines. May mga ano kasi yan mga, ay bago lang yan, ganito, 3 people behind this brand are trying their products to be testimony na it is very effective. Mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng pinadala nilang products. It has been sent to me over a month ago. Ngayon ko lang siya ma-vlog. And for the sake of you guys, to see what's the result talaga. I chose to try it first and see the difference, see the effects, see the improvements of my skin habang tinatry ko to. Para pag hinarap ko siya sa inyo guys, alam niyo yun, makikita niyo yung effect. Magsislide ako later ng photos ng mga before and after ko. Every week, I have documentations. So first, uunahin ko na ang aming unang-unang product because I am part of this family. 2 months ago, we did photo shoots and I will insert clips here. Ayan. Nag-photoshoot kami sa Arani, Bataan. Sobrang saya ng family na. But anyways, we have to unbox this product. This is, tada! This is their Clairine Mild Rejuvenating Set. I tried a few na products. Pinigil mo kasi siya ng weeks lang. Bumabalik sa dati. Parang nagiging, ano ba? Ewan ko, may pagka-citro kasi ata ng balat ko. Nakikita talaga yung mga veins ko, guys. This product is only guys ha, 248 pesos SRP in the Philippines. Not only in the Philippines, we also have Clairine in UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait. Kaka-launch lang, pero ganun na yung expansion niya. So, ano nga ba yung laman nito?
Clairine Mild Rejuvenating Set.
As you can see, on the both sides, Clairine included the day and the night use instructions, and at the back you can check all the informations, formulas, precautions, and company details. Regarding the box, it's hard to box. Well, it's very compacted. Design is very catchy and minimalist. You can see how classy the box is. Let's open it. Here we can see the product maximize the space. The brightening toner's design is very classy with its clear packaging that we barely see on the other products, and it's not sticker at all. It's embossed that you can see how they put effort on their products as well. Now let's check on its lid. As you can see, it's fine, no leak at all, it's secured. Great day cream and perfect night cream. Its design is very catchy. It is a theme-based products where you can also check that it's not sticker, it's embossed, and you can see that the effort is really great on this product. The Great Day cream is the pink one and the purple one is the perfect night cream. At its back, you can check and see the ingredients and its descriptions, and also the description of the company itself. It is included at the back, and even if you scratch it. It is impressive that the soap itself has its still own packaging. At the back, you can check the descriptions and ingredients. When you open the box, you can check how solid their soap is, that doesn't melt right away after you use it. The scent of the soap is very addictive. Even my dog loves the scent of it. Smells like a baby. Clarine's 24K Gold Ultra Serum. Regarding its packaging, well, Clairine never fails on packaging. It's a very pretty, it's very classy. And also, the touch of gold is very impressive that they focus not just on giving out their best on its product but also on its packaging. Claims and product ingredients are listed on its box both at the back and at both sides. And to the top, you can see the Clairine logo shining. Let's open the serum. Disclaimer that I already used this one, that's why you can see it's lesser than the usual, but this serum is quite big enough. It's 30 ml already. The scent of this one is very addictive too.
Virgin coconut soap. Packaging is very refreshing in eyes. The coconut scent makes me feel the beach vibes. Clairine logos always match its product's theme and it's so adorable. Directions and ingredients are at the back of the product's packaging. It also states its claims as paraben-free, organic and cruelty-free. Awesome!
I want to take this opportunity to give thanks to my friends for availing Clairine. Also want to thank Polanco family for everything. Simula nung nag-start ang Clairine, nag-launch ang Clairine. Thank you so much. And thank you very much for trusting po sa akin, Tita Malu and Sir Chito, for being one of Clairine's brand ambassador. Sobrang na-lift or na-boost yung confidence ko kasi I have struggled for almost 6 months. Tumaba ako, tapos napabayaan ko yung skin ko, hindi ko siya masyadong naaalagaan. Luckily, thank you to my former boss, Mom Chari, for referring me to Tita Malu na itry yung pagiging brand ambassador ng Clairine. Yun lang guys, I want to thank you all for watching my first ever vlog. I don't know how to call this one, but thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and comment down below kung ano yung mga gusto nyo pang i-try ko for the future references. Thank you!